Vasta nutrition, nature's medicine. The best first morning. Drink on an empty stomach. Science, reasons, and benefits. Introduction. The first thing you consume in the morning is not just a habit. It is a biological signal. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated, insulin-sensitive, in repair mode, hormone-driven, cortisol peak, gut empty, detox organs active. What you drink first decides how your metabolism wakes up, whether inflammation increases or decreases, whether digestion improves or worsens, whether insulin spikes or stays stable, whether energy flows or crashes. Most people unknowingly sabotage their health by starting the day with wrong signals. So what is the best first morning drink? Scientifically, physiologically, and practically. The best first morning drink for most people: warm water plus a pinch of natural salt. This is the foundation. Everything else is optional and situational. Why this works? Science. Rehydrates cells after overnight water loss. Restores sodium, lost through breathing and sweating. Activates the vagus nerve, improves stomach acid production. Supports adrenal function, prevents morning dizziness and fatigue. Dehydration, not low sugar, is the most common cause of morning weakness. How to take: 1 glass, 250 to 300 milliliters, warm water, a small pinch of natural salt, Himalayan rock salt, sea salt. Sip slowly. This alone improves energy, digestion, blood pressure stability, bowel movement, mental clarity. Option 2. Warm water plus lemon for digestion and liver support. Best for constipation, sluggish digestion, fatty liver, poor bile flow. Science: stimulates bile secretion, improves liver detox pathways, enhances gut motility, improves stomach acidity despite sour taste. How? Warm water, half-fresh lemon squeezed. Optional: pinch of salt. Avoid if severe acidity, active ulcers, dental sensitivity. Option 3. Warm water plus apple cider vinegar, ACV. Excellent for metabolic health. Best for insulin resistance, prediabetes, fatty liver, weight management. Science: improves insulin sensitivity, lowers post-meal glucose spikes, activates AMPK, fat-burning pathway, improves gut microbiome. How? 1 glass warm water, 1 tablespoon ACV, pinch of salt. Avoid if gastritis, acid reflux. Start very low dose. Option 4. Warm water plus soaked chia seeds, gut, constipation, and metabolic support. Best for constipation, poor gut health, insulin resistance, weight control. Science: soluble fiber feeds gut bacteria, stabilizes morning blood sugar. Improves bowel movement, reduces cravings. How? 1 tablespoon chia seeds soaked overnight. Mix in warm water. Drink slowly, always soaked, never dry. Option 5. Ginger water, immunity and inflammation. Best for chronic inflammation, joint pain, cold-prone people, weak digestion. Science: activates digestive enzymes, reduces inflammatory cytokines, improves circulation, enhances immunity. What not to drink first thing in the morning: tea or coffee on empty stomach, raises cortisol, acidity, anxiety. Cold water suppresses digestion, vagus nerve, sugar, honey, jaggery water, insulin spike, fruit juice, glucose overload, milk, poor digestion, mucus formation. Choosing the right morning drink. Summary: condition, best choice, general health, warm water plus salt constipation, lemon/chia. Diabetes/IRACV, fatty liver, lemon/ACV, inflammation, ginger weak immunity, ginger plus lemon low. BP/fatigue, warm water plus salt. There is no one drink for all, but there is one correct principle. Hydrate first, stimulate gently, spike nothing. Conclusion. The first morning drink is not about trends, it is about respecting human physiology. Your body does not wake up needing sugar, caffeine, or stimulation. It wakes up needing water, minerals, calm signals, gentle activation. When you begin the day correctly, digestion improves, energy stabilizes, inflammation reduces, metabolism resets, hormones align. The gut feels safe. Health is not built by dramatic actions. It is built by small, correct, repeated signals. And one of the most powerful signals you can give your body each day is the right first drink on an empty stomach. Start your morning wisely. Your entire day, metabolism and health will follow. Holistic Wellness Foundation. IMFAL. Healing Beyond Boundaries.